What's up, everybody? Brad at Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today, we have a Chevy LS3. Just got done making some nice power on the dyno here. This is our 525 package. We got this customer wanted a CVF kit on here. Has the full kit on here and everything. Black intake, kind of the black theme going on. It's going into a 69 Nova. It's going to look good in that Nova. If you have any questions about any of our packages, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd like to put something together for your ride and make it go down the street and paint some lines.